In trading, you cannot stop loss from happening because not all the time you can predict accurate trend in the market. But you can avoid big losses in the market by using stop loss in your trade. Stop loss not only save you from big losses of capital, but also it helps you to trading discipline. Otherwise, without stop loss, trader psychology gets disturbed. And by seeing losses, trader try to trade in hopes. Means suppose you are in buying and trade is in downtrend, then you will wait in hopes like it will reverse from this point and it goes on. After seeing the big losses at the end of the day, now trader try to take revenge from the market. Means to overcome the losses, now trader do overtrade, which ultimately vanishes your capital at the end. So to avoid that, you should always use stop loss. And how to use stop loss in Zerodha, that we will see in this video. I will take Adani Power by looking at the chart. It just removes its top, again retest, and now I think it will go up to this 271 or 272. For this target I will buy. So this is the day analysis. Let's observe the chart for 5 minutes. So this stop loss will keep 230 because from this line bears came in picture recent. So this 230 will be my stop loss. So let's buy Adani Power. Simply just as an example 10 share. We are going to buy Adani Power which is traded at 237.2, 10 shares long term CNC at market price, right? And then buy. So buy Adani Power 10 quantity is complete. That you can see in orders. Adani Power buy is complete. Now we will keep stop loss. So even if our decision goes wrong, still our losses will be minimum. So for stop loss, click sell, then enter the value. Suppose I can bear losses up to 230. Then I will enter price 230 and trigger price quite higher than the entered value, say 230.5, and sell. Sell Adani Power is place. So here I had fixed up the losses. So even if my decision goes wrong, still my losses will be minimum. And I can be in position, I can be in trend till I am getting the good profit. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.